Hey, welcome back to another YouTube video. So a really quick one today, guys. This is all about mixing paste, mainly for beginners or people that are new to paste fishing. So I did a video, I fished a match recently at Marston's where I was fishing, I caught 193 pound of fish, but on there, most of my fish were caught on paste. And a few people came back to me afterwards and said, can I show do a couple of videos on how I mix my paste and how I fish and how I actually fish with it. So that's what I'm gonna do. So today's video is all about mixing paste. I'll be using this later on. Another video will come out later where I'll be actually fishing it, so keep an eye on the next video that comes out as well. So in terms of mixing paste, there's a number of ground baits out there that you can use. I always my go-to one is the swim stim, the Dynamite swim stim betaine green. Now there are others out there, so go and try others, have a go at them. There are I think Sonia baits do a 1-to-1 mix as well, but this is my go-to one. I've been using it for years now, and it just works absolutely perfect. I've always caught, I think it's probably just a confidence thing, but I have no problems with this. So, but like I say, go and pick your ground bait. So first of all, let's get it out of the packet. So we're going to open this up, and I'm going to be fishing quite a few hours today. So I'm going to put in probably I've got about a pint and a half there. I'm going to put that to one side, and all I'm going to do now is really simple, is start adding the water. I'm going to put in quite a bit of water there, but it's going to be a bit of a slop to start off with. So I'm just going to mix that up, get it all out the corners. And like I say, I'm fishing for a good few hours today, but obviously only use the amount you're going to need. If you're fishing for a couple of hours, you probably find a pint will be absolutely fine. But I've put in definitely about a pint and a half to 2 pints there. I'm just going to mix that around, and that's still quite firm there. So I'm just going to put in some more water and do it gradually. I think that is the trick for me. It's all about doing it nice and slow, and just mixing it, just getting it out the corners. Take your time with it, there's absolutely no rush, and just make sure you just get all that water in there. You want it all soaking up, all those sort of particles in there. So again, it's just really simple. It's just, you know, taking your time, just keep sort of mixing it, getting it in there, a bit more water. And you can overdo the water, so be careful. You just got to sort of do a little bit at a time, and don't worry about it too much if you think it's too much of a slop, because when you leave it, it will harden up and it's going to get a bit more firmer. So, and I'm going to mix this. I'm going to get it to the consistency I sort of feel. I'm then going to go and set up my my peg and come back to it in probably about sort of 15-20 minutes. And hopefully we'll be able to probably just add a little bit more water, and I'll show you that it'll be done. But there you go, look, that's all mixed in now. And I mean, that's too sloppy for me. I won't be able to put that on the hook, and that'll just keep coming off. But what we'll find now in the next sort of 10-15 minutes, that'll just sort of start to firm up a bit more. I probably will have to add a little bit more water to it, but that is how simple it is. So I'm going to go and set up. I'll come back in a little while and I'll show you the next part of this mixing of my paste. Okay guys, so I just finished setting up and I've just come back to it, and this is actually nice and firm. That's how I like it. I could probably just flick a bit more water over it and just make it a little bit more sort of wet there on the top, but I don't want it over wet when I first start fishing. I like it nice and firm, so I can just make it into a 50p piece and wrap that around my hook, and that's going to stay on. As the session goes on, I can just add a little bit more water into the corner of the bowl and just make it a little bit more wetter if I want it. But like I say, I like it nice and firm. Everyone is different. You know, they like the texture of their paste to be slightly different, but find the way that suits you best. Like I say, I use this ground bait. Everyone will use different ground baits and different mixes, but go and find the one that you prefer. But like I say, dead easy really. Just take your time mixing that water in. Don't over wet it to start off with, and then just get the right consistency, the right texture that suits your fishing. But dead simple, guys. Hopefully that's helped you beginners out there or new to paste fishing. Just keep it really simple, don't overcomplicate it. Hopefully you've enjoyed this video. If you haven't already, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel. It is free and it's easy and it only takes 2 seconds. Also, don't forget to drop the video a like. If you spare 5 seconds, please do leave a comment. Let me know which ground bait you use, let me know how you mix it, but it also will help other viewers. But guys, tight lines, and I'll see you on the next one.